is the second of the three. There is a car park there, and we have fitted an overhung on the grass, so that's okay. Right, it's got the same information there as the last castle, so there's no point in reading that. There's a little bit of information here by the looks of it though. Hold on. Almost all of the stonework you see today was built by Hubert de Burgh between 1219 and 1232. It has all the elements of an advanced design, a central enclosure formed by straight curtain walls with rounded towers in the corners. Oh yes, I see. Well, what's left of them? They've kind of broke a bit, haven't they? Even the keep is a round tower, so I'll take it that's in the middle. There we go. The keep dominates the castle. Its height helps with the defence of a castle built on low ground. It also provided Hubert with a smart and dry place to stay. It might be a dead end actually. Oh, somebody's got a bonfire lit right next door. Yeah, it's a dead end. Oh, hello. What's that down there? Does it say? Doesn't say what it is. Oh well. You're not going to climb over the wall? No. Good. Right. Let's go in the tower. Ooh, right, that was the tower there. Whee, just going to slide down here now. Whoa! Whee! Some sort of fireplace. Would that be a fireplace? I don't know. Swimming pool, Olympic size, obviously. Ooh, it's a bit muddy down here because it's all in the shade. Yeah, that's the corner tower there, and what would have been a corner tower here. Whee! This is there's the tower, and you've got like a little gate that comes out, which would have met the River Mono, did you say? And there it is. Whee! Oh, mind your heed. Let's have a little look. Oh, oops, I nearly hit my head on it. 7 miles, was it?
Just under, yeah.
Just under 7 miles. To White Castle. There is a diddy little car park. Enough for two, well, one car and one motorhome. Anyway, and it is there. It's absolutely baking hot. I've actually got my legs out. Right, so this is the third of the 3.
It is.
And there's not a lot there.
No, it's the same, that's
same stuff. Ah, right. 3 castles, that's the same information, but with a different castle. White Castle, Grillmont Castle, Skenfrith. Skenfrith. Okay. Look at that blackbird. Oh, no, that's something else. Chaffinch? No, that's the blackbird. Okay, so we are here, there. White Castle faced hill country controlled by Welsh lords and needed to be ready for action. This castle was the first of 3 castles to have any of its original wooden structure replaced with stone. Before Hubert de Burgh arrived in 1201, the walls of the inner ward were already rebuilt. All that Hubert had and his successors needed to bring the inner ward up to current military standards was to add round towers. He didn't build the large outer ward. Changing Welsh politics in 1260s required a garrison for a large army of several thousand strong. White Castle was made ready to face an attack by Llewellyn ap Gruffydd, Prince of Wales. The outer available level ground, I have no idea what I'm filming. The outer...
What, you missed a line.
Well, I've missed a line. The outer ward, with its sophisticated gatehouse, was built on the only available level ground. This had the effect of turning the castle around because of the original entrance was on the opposite side, facing the village of Llantysilio, Crosssenny. Little flies. See a roofy thing there, or something. Picnic benches. Oh, this is a really nice setting. I think it's because it's sunny. Imagine this in the rain, it'd be horrible, wouldn't it? The sun makes a difference. So that's, we think then, that's off for Dyke's Path, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many times did your dad walked it?
Twice.
Twice.
Might possibly 3 times.
Yeah. Right. Oh, let's go in. Oh my, how many footballs are down there? 3 at least. Just looking to see what the aeroplane is, I think. another turret. Possibly. You look at the flame.
Yeah, no, it's
Another turret.
Oh. Oi, that's my job.
Be careful what fills. Some people sat there. There's another turret too. To the left there. There's a walkway that you can go in that door and go up, but it looks like there's a gate that's closed and locked. Hey? It does, doesn't it? Yeah, I can see the padlock actually. Oh, listen to that.